What's up, everybody? Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be going over not one, not two, not three, but 8 different ways that you can make money in the fitness industry. And something to keep in mind is that a lot of these ideas will be able to build off of one another. So for example, if one becomes successful, it'll help another idea. Let's say you do all 8 of these things that I'm about to tell you guys. So just keep that in mind. That's something to think about. And if you come up with anything else, be sure to put it in the description below. So, as a little thank you, maybe you can subscribe to the channel, like this video as well, and if you could comment on this video regardless of whether you want to subscribe to the channel or not, that'd be great because it will increase the algorithm, or it's good for the algorithm that directs people to my videos, and I'd really appreciate it. Also, my Instagram and Twitter are in the description below, along with a Facebook fitness forum. If you want to go down there and you want to say, hey, I have a question, you can type your question in. And it's going to be answered. So thank you guys for coming to this video. Without further ado, actually, let me tell you that this is an abnormal angle. I don't normally film at this angle, but I managed to lose a piece of my tripod. So it'd be like that sometimes, I guess, right? So thank you guys for watching this video. Let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you can do is something that I'm doing right now, actually, and I'm leading by example, so that's great, right? The first thing you can do is you can pick up your phone or pick up a camera. It's super easy. Start a YouTube channel. Now, of course, it doesn't have to be fitness themed or fitness based. Maybe it can be like vlogs, lifestyle. You can do pranks that are fitness themed. You can do just informational, educational videos like I do a lot of, completely up to you. There's tons of space on the internet to do it. And it's not hard to start a YouTube channel. Like I said, there's tons of free editing programs out there. There are, you can get friends to help you. There's so many ways that you can make a YouTube channel. I did it, you can do it too. Alright, now the second thing that you can do to make money in the fitness industry is fitness influencing, okay? And I'm not talking about the part where you're like, oh guys, check out me, check out my lifestyle and stuff like that. No, that's what YouTubing might be, or something else that we'll get into later. But what I'm talking about is the part where YouTubers or social media influencers or fitness influencers, they go, hey guys, check out this this pair of pants I got, or check out this thing I got, and here's a code for it. Let's say JDF10. Here's a code for it. Go buy some with my discount code. And what happens is the company that gives you that code will give you a percentage of the money that they make from products that people enter your code with, okay? And sometimes they'll pay you for sponsorships and stuff like that. Now I know what you're thinking, Peyton, I don't have hundreds of thousands of subscribers and stuff. Well, that's great, I don't either. And I haven't done any fitness influencing yet, but what happens is, what you can do is there are certain companies, and I don't know of too many right now, but there are certain companies that will give you a discount code without having to reach out to you. They'll give you that discount code and you can use it and set it up, and if you do sell something of their product or get people to download it, they'll give you a percentage of the money that they make off of that, or they'll give you something for it. The only company I know of is Scentbird. Now they won't actually send you the product because they're not reaching out to you, but if you buy one and if you get the discount code for yourself, you can say, all right guys, go check out Scentbird. I just got the cologne sample, whatever. Now go use the code in the description below and to get this amount of percentage off, and they'll give you money for that if you sell some. They don't have to actually reach out to you. So it's a bit of an investment to do that, but I think it's a great idea. Alright, now the third thing that you can do to make money in the fitness industry, and I'm sure you've heard it, it's probably the most popular way to make money in the fitness industry, is personal training, okay? I don't know why I use the quotations mark, sorry. But I'm certified as a personal trainer, so I'm also practicing what I preach in this case also. Now what you can do is you can go to your gym and I would highly suggest this before you actually invest in getting a certification. You can say, hey, what certifications do you accept? So there's ISSA, there's AFA, there's ACE, there's Fit Tour. Check with your gym at what certifications are acceptable there and which ones they'd accept, and before you actually do that. And so from there, just get your personal training certification. Maybe you'll be an independent contractor in which you need to get insurance, or maybe you'll work through your gym and where their insurance would cover you maybe. I don't know, every gym is different, but it's something to think about at least. Like I said, I'm certified and I've trained a lot of people so far, and I will train many more people because it's a nice little side hustle that I do in my spare time, and I've been happy to change people's life by doing that. Alright, now the fourth thing that you can do to make money in the fitness industry, and it's something that I'm about to start doing so soon, I'll be practicing what I preach, and I'll let you guys know when it starts, is online coaching, okay? There are lots of people who have the motivation to go to the gym and to eat healthy, but they do not have the knowledge. And that's where personal training, that's where fitness influencing comes into play, is when you say, hey, for a certain amount of money, I will tell you what to eat. I will tell you what workouts to do based on your schedule and your lifestyle and everything that goes on. And so it is something that is a great way to make money. You can maybe get on the phone with them once a week or just whatever they need, really. But people will pay big money for that just to be instructed on what to do and how to get fit. Because again, the obesity rate is very high in the United States, or just wherever you are probably. And there's a lot of people that want to change their lives and change their bodies. And if you can give them the guidance to do that, they will pay you to do that. So which is why I'll be starting that very, very soon. I promise. All right, so the fifth thing that you can do to make money in the fitness industry, and once again, I'm practicing what I preach, you can run a boot camp, okay? It's something that I do 3 days a week, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday from 6 to 7 p.m. And I live in a small area and it's making me money, so I would highly suggest that you do it, especially if you live in like a city or something. But once again, people may not have the motivation or maybe lacking the guidance. So if you can go out there and provide that, they will pay you. I charge like $5 a class, or I charge $45 a month, so 3 days a week. That ends up being $60 a month if you don't do the monthly rate of $45. So anyways, it's just something to consider. It's a very great way to make money, and just word of mouth will spread. Post some flyers maybe. Hey, invite your friends. It's a great idea. People come to it. And it's something that may start off with maybe a few people, but if you promote it well enough and if you stay consistent, people will start to come more and more and more. And so it's definitely something that I would do if you are trying to make money in the fitness industry. All right, so the sixth thing you can do to make money in the fitness industry, and go ahead and take a guess. Am I practicing what I'm preaching here? Yes, I do. You can write customized workout programs or customized meal programs. Now, I do the customized workout programs because with meal programs, I'd rather update on a week-to-week basis, and I got to get everything set up, so I'll just rather do coaching instead. But anyways, I do customized workout programs, 10 weeks, $50. It's repeatable. It's to someone's schedule and to how many times a week they're going to work out, any injuries they have. And, again, if people have the desire to do something or they don't have the knowledge to do something, then you can be very useful in that. So maybe they pay for it so that they'll be motivated to do it. Maybe they just pay for it because they don't have the knowledge to do it. Either way, you can be helpful and you can get paid for being helpful. So I would highly suggest that you learn how to do that, because it's something that can be useful for you as well in your own workouts or for someone else. All right, so the seventh thing you can do to make money in the fitness industry is you can write a blog or you can write a book, or maybe a little ebook or a little pamphlet or something. It's super easy. You don't have to go through this huge publishing process. Let me show you. You don't have to make it like this book right here, the Arnold Encyclopedia, which I'm about halfway done with. It's like an 800-page book. Anyways, you don't have to do that. Amazon will let you publish books for, I don't know, it's super easy, look it up. But yeah, you can do that. So it doesn't have to be, you don't have to be super knowledgeable either. You can blog or write a book on your fitness transformation. For example, I sort of practiced what I preached. I sort of vlogged my recovery from cancer, so you can go from fat to fit or skinny to buff. You can vlog that, or you can write a book on that. Super easy. Think about it. All right, so the eighth and final thing I have for you guys on making money in the fitness industry is fitness modeling, okay? There are lots of people out there starting clothing brands, or there are lots of opportunities to be a model. So especially if you got the good looks, if you got a good body, you have a chance to get out there and fulfill a need for someone. For example, on Craigslist a few weeks ago, I saw that someone needed a fit person to model fit stuff, and I couldn't go do it because I had work and stuff. But it's still an opportunity. You can just go on Craigslist, or you can sign with an actual modeling agency. It's not that hard. It's not this super long process. They don't have to travel through halfway across the world, come to you and be like, hey, we need you for modeling. It's not like that. There's big stereotypes and stuff. And so, yeah, again, it's something that you can do. I would like to do it at some point, just to say I've done it maybe, but that time is definitely not now. So if you are presented with that opportunity, or maybe you have to seek that opportunity out, but it is something that you can do to make money in the fitness industry. So give it a try. Alright, so that is going to wrap up this video. If you have any ideas, I would love to make a part 2, so please comment them in the description below. And just comment in the description below anyways, because it'll help my YouTube algorithm, help more people find this channel, and I'd really appreciate that. Also, like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you feel like it, go check out my Instagram and Twitter. I think they're worth following. I'd really appreciate that too, because I just helped you guys get some money, so maybe you can help me out too. Anyways, I also sell customized workout programs and will soon start coaching. My email's in the description below. So until then, I will see you guys next time. I hope you have a great day.